Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Kunafa Croissant. First, unroll your store-bought croissant dough and separate the triangles. Next, take your Kunafa pastry and shred it finely, ensuring no long strands remain. Then, melt about 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and gently toss it with the shredded Kunafa until every piece is coated. This butter will help achieve that beautiful golden crispness we all love. Make sure it's well combined for the best texture. Now, let's prepare our delicious filling. Combine about 1 cup of ricotta cheese with 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella for a creamy, melty center. Place a small spoonful of this cheese mixture onto the wider end of each croissant triangle. Carefully roll the dough from the wide end towards the point, ensuring the filling is securely enclosed. Gently curve the ends to form the classic croissant shape. This step is crucial for a perfect bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your assembled Kunafa croissants on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully puffed. While they're baking, prepare your simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of sugar with 1/2 cup of water, bring to a boil, then simmer for 5 minutes. Add a dash of rose water for authentic flavor. As soon as your Kunafa croissants come out of the oven, while they are still hot, generously drizzle them with the warm, simple syrup. This allows the syrup to be fully absorbed, creating that irresistible sweetness and moisture. Garnish with a sprinkle of crushed pistachios for a beautiful presentation and a delightful crunch. Serve them warm and enjoy this unique fusion dessert. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.